Good. Now say yes. Now say yes before you even stop. Okay? Call her back to you.
Here. Uni. Quack.
Okay? Make sure you say yes first and then stop and get your ball out. All right? Stop. Tell her to get back. Say foos. Good. Say yes.
Yes.
Good. Perfect, Sydney. Awesome. Call her back. Good. Have her spit the ball out and then throw it. Tell her plots and then throw it and tell her go. That way. Not in the woods, weirdo. I mean, I guess that's fine. Good. Call her back. She's right behind you. Good. Now heel. Good. And then throw it. Awesome. That was, Sydney, that was perfect. Good. Okay, one more time. Do your sit and you're down, but this time when you do your sit, keep walking, okay? So she plots. Okay. Let's all right. Say sit twice. Sit. Good. Walk away. Good. Come back and throw her ball. Good.
I went to you on purpose.
Okay, same thing. When you go to say sit twice. Sit, sit. Throw her ball. Okay. Call her back. Play with the ball. Call her back to you. Uni, get your ball. The other ball. Right. Make sure you're good. Make sure you're in heel position. Okay. Right there. Now heel forward. Now say sit. Throw the ball. Just throw it. Go. Good. Throw it. Good. Throw it behind her though, okay? That's why I want you to throw it, because that's good that she wants to play with you. Did you notice that tonight she's coming back to you and not me?
Yeah. She was like, I'm gonna go to you. Wait, no.
Good. Good. Call her back to you.
No, over here.
Good. Now push her away. Call her to you and then push her and run away from her. Push her, run away. Oh, she doesn't care. Call her. Call her.
Here.
Good. Call her. Good. Now push her. And run. Get her, Un. Good. All right. Now take the ball from her and I want you to heel one more time.
So she could come to dinner.
Nice work, Sid.
Oh. Both of them out.
I have another cheese stick too.
Okay. They're gonna watch me.
That's okay. Yeah. Good. Good. Now try to get 2 in your mouth and spit 1 down to her. And then when she picks it up, call her, say here, okay? And then spit the other one down. Good. Here?
Yeah.
Nope. Say here and keep backing up. And spit. Spit down to her. Oh, well, you got to put another one in your mouth. Well, give her a piece of cheese.
I opened my mouth and she was like...
You did both again.
Yeah.
Oh, you okay?
Here. Here. Only.
Go. Say sit.
Sit.
Now spit it. Good. Say here. Say, keep backing up. Say here. Good. Good. That's going to work much better, I think.